Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to unarchive stories on Instagram in 2025. So in this quick guide, I will show you how to unarchive your IG stories. So step 1 to do this is opening the Instagram application. So simply navigate to Instagram, click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. Now select archive from this menu. So by default, Instagram opens the stories archive, that is this one. Now you can also click on this option if it's not an stories archive and click on stories archive button. Now simply scroll through your past stories and find the one that you want to unarchive. Now after finding the one that you want to unarchive, simply tap on that specific story, click on the three-dot icon at the bottom right and click on share. Now, after you click on share, you will get the option to share it again on your story where you can click on your story and share it instantly as a new story. So simply choose any story, click on three-dot icon at the bottom right, click on share and you can easily share this again and get it out of the archive. Now, if you want to see your deleted stories and you want to archive them, simply navigate to three-lined icon at the top right, then navigate to your activity, scroll down, click on recently deleted and you will see the story that was deleted. You can click there, click on three-dotted icon at the bottom right, click on restore and click on restore again. Now this will instantly restore this into the archived folder where you can see that specific video or a story. Click on three-dotted icon, click on share and share it back to your story instantly. So that's it. You have successfully unarchived your Instagram story by resharing or adding it to your highlights. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. See you in the next one.